Change in internal energy is equal to heat plus work. Work is equal to force times distance. One type of work that can be done is pressure volume work. If the surroundings apply a pressure and cause the volume of the system to change, and that is, it causes the volume to shrink, then the surroundings have done work on the system, and that is an energy transfer, and it will affect the internal energy of the system. If the system expands outward, it is applying a force to the surroundings over a distance. A volume is a distance of sorts. So therefore it will do work on the surroundings, and it will transfer energy out of the system. Work is equal to force times distance. Pressure is equal to force over area. Force is therefore equal to pressure times area. Work is equal to force times delta H. This is another way of thinking of force times distance. Force times change in height. Now, force is equal to pressure times area can be substituted into this equation to give work is equal to pressure times area times delta H. Area, which is two-dimensional, times delta H, which is another single dimension, will give me 3 dimensions. So I can think of work as now pressure times delta V, or change in volume. And now what is done is a negative sign is added because this delta E is thought of from the perspective of the system. If the volume increases, that means the system is expanding and doing work on the surroundings. So energy is leaving the system. If delta V is positive, then this work is a negative sign. So that is consistent with thinking of internal energy as from the perspective of the system. If the delta V is minus, it shrinks. That means the surroundings do work on the system, and it compresses it, and energy flows into the system as opposed to out of the system. And that's all there really is to. It's just one of many types of work that can be done. This is how combustion engines work. Gases, a chemical reaction takes place in the engine, the gas explodes, the gas heats up very quickly and expands and causes the pistons to move up, and it does work on the surroundings, I suppose, would be the proper way of thinking of it.